What's the meaning of Bahamian? Bahamian. Bahamian.
Bahamian. Bahamian. The term Bahamian refers to anything or anyone that is related to the Bahamas, a country located in the Caribbean region. The Bahamas is an archipelago consisting of more than 700 islands and cays, and Bahamians are the people who live in this island nation. The term can be used to describe the culture, cuisine, language, history, and traditions of the Bahamas. Bahamians are proud of their rich heritage, which is heavily influenced by African, European, and indigenous cultures. The country's natural beauty, warm climate, and friendly people also make it a popular tourist destination. Overall, being Bahamian is a source of pride for those who call the Bahamas home.